Okay, as you could guess, we're on Muslim Leisure Street, which is part of Xi'an, China. So we got all kinds of people who are tourists checking everything out, and we're gonna check it all out as well. We got also some other YouTubers as well. Okay, let's check it all out. It's pretty spicy. So we'll give you a little taste of what it's like to be on Muslim Leisure Street. I think it's Monday or Tuesday right now. Yeah, I've been seeing this in videos anyways. I've been kind of curious what it was like and what the food was like. We'll try to highlight all of it. There's a lot to take in at the moment. There's a lot of people. Cheeses. Okay, so I'm just kind of taking it all in at the moment, seeing what we all got here. That looks pretty tasty as well. Hello. Hello. So I'm going to try to come in and check out more of this in a moment. It's really different style. Reminds me of, like, I think back in a long time ago, people would wear, he was wearing a kind of solid blue clothing. I think that was kind of the way that it used to be a long time ago. The guy sitting down right there. Take a picture. Xi'an Muslim Street. Kind of giving a little tour, but it's like a little bit crowded. It's probably about 11 in the morning, by the way. And I'll be filming in Xi'an a little bit, so I'll try to get some different stuff, but this is definitely different. Oh, there's another one of those. One I had mostly red meat. That one has more cooked. That was only 15 yuan, by the way. The one that I had was like, you call it there's a name in Chinese, but I can't remember the name. But in English, I've heard them sometimes call it like a Chinese hamburger. It's good though. I think this is probably one of the highlights of, I know I was looking forward to getting here just for this street actually. There's a lot of stuff to do in Xi'an, but this is one of the foodie areas. Haircut to Warriors. Okay. Check out some noodles later. Okay. Okay, looks like we're coming up towards one of those bell towers. I think we're in Muslim Leisure Street. It might be a different one because I saw some other streets that also there's the I saw another bell tower earlier. I think this is called Bell Tower and Drums. So I guess we're coming up right at the end of that one. And I think the Muslim Leisure Street could actually be over here. Oh, Xi'an Great Mosque. So maybe we'll do a separate video where we look for the Great Xi'an Great Mosque. There's a sign right there. And I think this is the Muslim food street, I think. All right.